The sycamore leaf. A gentle breeze blew, and a large leaf from the sycamore tree detached from its branch with a soft, graceful motion. The leaf twirled and danced in the air, as if harmonizing with the wind. After a few moments, it landed softly on the garden soil next to a beautiful, colorful flower. The leaf felt a little scared. This was the first time it had been separated from its tree, and it was experiencing a whole new world. It took a while for the leaf to gather the courage to speak to the flower. With a trembling voice, it asked, "Hello, do you know what I am?" The flower smiled and, swaying gently in the breeze, nodded and said, "Yes, you are a sycamore leaf, a big leaf that has just fallen from the tree." The sycamore leaf thought for a moment and then asked, "What are leaves good for? I always thought we were just decorations for the tree." The flower kindly replied, "No, dear, leaves are very important. They capture sunlight and help plants breathe and grow. Without leaves, we flower and plants couldn't stay vibrant." The sycamore leaf was a little confused. It asked, "If all plants have leaves, why am I different? My shape is so big and unique." The flower laughed and said, "Every plant has its own characteristics. Look at my leaves. They do the same job as you, but their shape is different. My life depends on these leaves, and the leaves' lives depend on me." It's the same with you. You and the sycamore tree are a team. The sycamore leaf grew sad and said softly, "So now that I've fallen from the tree and landed here, is my life over? Is the tree's life over too?" The flower leaned toward the leaf and said gently, "No, dear. You will settle into the soil and return as nourishment to the tree or to other flowers and plants. Who knows, maybe this time, instead of a leaf, you'll become a fruit or flower." Life always continues. It just changes form. Who knows, maybe this time, instead of a leaf, you'll become a flower or a fruit. Life always continues. It just changes form. The sycamore leaf felt at peace. It now understood that even though it had fallen from the tree, it was still part of the beautiful cycle of life. The breeze blew again, carrying the sycamore leaf away, as if inviting it on a new journey. Okay, how was the story? Did you like it? Yeah, of course you did. To the next. Bye now.